Is your business running on software that technically works, but slows everything down as you grow? In this case study, I'll show you how custom software development in New York helped a growing company replace a patchwork system with something built to actually support their workflow. Hi, I'm Doron Farber from the Farber Consulting Group Inc. For over 30 years, we've helped businesses across New York replace outdated systems with custom software that fits how they really work. The challenge. This company had grown fast, but their software didn't grow with them. They were using a mix of off-the-shelf tools and manual processes that caused daily issues. Teams had to enter the same data into multiple systems, wasting hours every week. Reports were inconsistent because information lived in too many places. Simple changes required workarounds instead of real fixes. The system couldn't support new users without slowing down operations. Management had no clear view of real-time business data. They didn't need another tool. They needed software built specifically for how they operate. Our approach. This is where custom software development in New York made the difference. We started by understanding how the business actually worked day to day, not how software expected them to work. We mapped out their real workflows and pain points before writing any code. Built a custom application that connected all core operations into one system. Automated manual tasks that were causing errors and delays. Designed the software to scale so new users and data wouldn't slow it down. Delivered a clean, simple interface so teams could use it without training headaches. The goal wasn't fancy features. It was clarity, speed, and control. The results. Within weeks of launching the new system, data entry time dropped dramatically because everything lived in one place. Reports updated instantly instead of taking hours to compile. Teams stopped relying on spreadsheets and workarounds. The system handled growth without performance issues. Leadership finally had real-time visibility into operations. Most importantly, the software worked the way the business worked. Takeaway. Custom software development isn't about building something complex. It's about removing friction from your business. When software fits your process, teams move faster, mistakes drop, and growth feels manageable. If you're based in New York and your current system is holding you back, custom software may be the cleanest way forward. Visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765 to talk through your project, and subscribe for more real-world software and database case studies.